Hello everyone, welcome to the World Student Scope. So here I am your English educator. Today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter number 2nd of class 6th from the book A Pact with the Sun. See, this is the name of the chapter is The Friendly Mongoose, and this is a story from the Panchtantra. Let's see what is there in the story. A farmer, his wife and a small child lived in a village. There was also a baby mongoose in the house who they believed would be their son's companion, son's partner. Companion means partner and friend in future. One day the farmer and his wife went out, leaving the child alone with the mongoose. This will be the learning outcomes. Now let's read what is there in the story. Once a farmer and his wife lived in a village with their small child. Once a farmer, his wife and their child lived in a village. वो एक village में रहते थे अपने छोटे बेटे के साथ. They loved him very much. वो उसको बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार करते थे. Like our parents do. जैसे हमारे पेरेंट्स हमें प्यार करते हैं वैसे वो अपने बेटे को बहुत प्यार करते थे. We must have a pet, the farmer said to his wife. अब जो फार्मर है वो अपनी वाइफ को बोलता है कि वी मस्ट हैव अ पेट, कि हमारे पास एक पेट होना चाहिए. वन डे व्हेन आवर सन ग्रोज अप ही विल नीड अ कंपेनियन. जब हमारा बेटा बड़ा हो जाएगा ही मस्ट नीड अ कंपेनियन, ही मस्ट नीड अ पार्टनर मीन्स अ फ्रेंड. पार्टनर और फ्रेंड, कि उसको एक फ्रेंड की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी with whom he can play, with whom he can spend his most of the time, with whom he can enjoy. So this pet will be our son's companion. तो वो जो pet होगा वही हमारे son का companion होगा. His wife liked the idea. अब जो उसकी wife थी उसको idea बहुत अच्छा लगा. And one evening the farmer brought with him a tiny mongoose. तो वो अपने साथ के लेके आता है एक tiny mongoose लेकर आता है. When he returned home, it's a baby mongoose. अब वो क्या बोल रहा है अपनी वाइफ को कि it's a baby mongoose, कि baby mongoose है. But will soon be fully grown. But ये बहुत जल्दी fully grown हो जाएगा, बहुत जल्दी ये बड़ा हो जाएगा. He will be a friend to our son, and then he will become a friend to our son. They both will be a good friends when this baby mongoose grows up. Now, both the baby and the mongoose grew. अब जो बेबी था, जो बेबी सन था और जो mongoose था, दोनों साथ में बड़े हो रहे थे. They both were growing up. In 5 or 6 months, अब 5 या 6 महीने में क्या होता है? The mongoose had grown to its full size. अब जो बेबी mongoose था वो 5 और 6 months में अपने full size में वो grow हो चुका था. He was now grown up. And a lovely animal with 2 shining black eyes. Now he is an animal with 2 shining black eyes and a bushy tail. Now he is having a shining black eyes and a bushy tail. A lovely animal. The farmer's son was still a baby. अब जो फार्मर का सन था इट वॉज स्टिल अ बेबी. अब 5 months में इतना बड़ा तो हो नहीं सकता. सो दैट सन वॉज स्टिल अ बेबी. वो अभी भी छोटा है. इन द क्रैडल वेयर बेबी यूज टू स्लीप, जहाँ पे रखते हैं बेबी को. स्लीपिंग एंड क्राइंग ऑल्टरनेटली. वो सो भी रहा है एंड साइड बाई साइड ही इज ऑल्सो क्राइंग. ऑल्टरनेटली वो सो भी रहा है और रो भी रहा है. ओके. वन डे द फार्मर्स वाइफ wanted to go to the market. अब क्या होता है, एक दिन जो फार्मर की वाइफ होती है she wanted to go to the market. अब वो मार्केट जाना चाहती है. She fed the baby and rocked him to sleep. अब उसने क्या कर दिया? She fed the baby and rocked him to sleep in his little cradle. अब अपने बेबी को little cradle में वो छोड़ देती है. Now, kicking up the basket, she said to her husband, Now picking up the basket, अब वो बास्केट को उठाती है एंड शी सेड टू हर हस्बैंड, अब वो अपने हस्बैंड को बोल रही है, एक बास्केट उठाया उसने और अपने हस्बैंड को बोल रही है आई एम ऑफ टू द बाजार, कि वो बाजार में जा रही है. नाउ आई एम ऑफ टू द बाजार, आई एम गोइंग टू द बाजार. द बेबी इज स्लीपिंग, इस टाइम पे उस एट प्रेजेंट टाइम द बेबी इज स्लीपिंग, अभी वो बेबी सो रहा है. Keep an eye on him. Now that wife is saying baby is sleeping but keep an eye on him. लेकिन उस पर नज़र रखना, उस पर ध्यान रखना. Frankly, I don't like to leave the child alone with the mongoose. Now she is saying to her husband that frankly I don't like to leave my child with that baby mongoose, with that mongoose, कि मैं उसके साथ उसको अकेला नहीं छोड़ना चाहती mongoose के साथ. You need not be afraid, said the farmer. अब farmer क्या बोल रहा है? He is saying to her, his wife, that you no need to be afraid, you no need to be frightened. The mongoose is a friendly animal. जो mongoose है वो बड़ा ही friendly animal है. It won't harm that child. It's as sweet as our baby. वो हमारे बेबी की तरह ही स्वीट है, बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत प्लीजेंट है, बहुत फ्रेंडली है. एंड दे आर द बेस्ट ऑफ द फ्रेंड्स, यू नो. एंड उसको बोल रहा है कि तुम जानती हो कि वो बेस्ट ऑफ द फ्रेंड्स हैं, वो बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं. सो दैट एनिमल, दैट मंगूज इज अ वेरी फ्रेंडली. नाउ द वाइफ वेंट अवे. अब जो वाइफ है उसकी, फार्मर की वाइफ जो है वो चली जाती है. And the farmer, having nothing to do in the house, decided to go out and take a look at its field not far away. अब जो फार्मर है वो घर पे बहुत बोर हो रहा होता है, he was getting bored, so he decided to go out near his fields, but it was not far away. लेकिन वो घर से इतना ज़्यादा दूर नहीं होता है. So he goes out. He ran into some friends on the way. अब उसको कुछ फ्रेंड्स मिल जाते हैं on the way back, जब वो वापस आ रहा होता है. And didn't return for quite some time. और वो कुछ टाइम के लिए वापस नहीं आ पाता because he suddenly met his some of the friends. Now the farmer's wife finished her shopping. अब जो फार्मर की वाइफ होती है, she finished her shopping and came back home with a basket full of groceries. Now see the learning outcomes. First of all, the farmer's wife returned home from the market carrying a heavy basket. Means here is she is having a heavy basket into her hands. उसके हाथों में बहुत heavy basket है. And she returned home from the market. She found the mongoose. She found the mongoose at the entrance of the house with blood on his face and paws. अब उसके फेस पे और उसके paws पे blood है. She found the mongoose at the entrance of the house. She jumped to the conclusion that it was her son's blood and the mongoose was the guilty one. उसको सडनली उसके माइंड में क्या चीज़ स्ट्राइक करती है कि वो जो है उसने उसके वो जो ब्लड है वो उसके बेटे का है एंड द मंगूज वॉज द गिल्टी वन, और ये जो किया है ये मंगूज ने ही किया है. लेट्स फाइंड आउट व्हाट इज़ द रियल स्टोरी. The farmer's wife finished her shopping and came back home with a basket full of groceries. Now she is having a basket full of the groceries. अब उसके पास बास्केट है पूरी जिसमें क्या है, ग्रोसरी. So अब वो वापस आ जाती है शॉपिंग करके. What she saw the mongoose. अब वो देखती है जो mongoose है sitting outside as if waiting for her. अब वो बिल्कुल एंट्रेंस पे बैठा हुआ है. It seems like that mongoose was waiting for her, कि जैसे वो उसका ही वेट कर रहा होता है. On seeing her, जैसे वो उसको देखता है, he ran to welcome her. वो जल्दी से भागता है उसको वेलकम करने के लिए. As was customary, as like a customary. The farmer's wife took one look at the mongoose and screamed, blood. Now जैसे ही वो देखती है फार्मर्स की वाइफ, mongoose की तरफ, she just screamed and she started crying and she said blood, means she's surprised, she's shocked to see that blood on the mongoose face and his paw. She cried. The face and the paws of the mongoose were smeared with the blood. It was covered with the blood. So what she found, now what she find, you wicked animal. Now she is saying, you wicked animal, you have killed my baby. Now she is thinking that mongoose have killed her baby son. So she is getting angry at mongoose. So she is saying, you have killed my baby. She screamed hysterically. She was blind with rage and with all her strength brought down the heavy basket full of groceries on the blood smeared mongoose and ran inside to the child's cradle. अब वो क्या करती है, जैसे वो मार्केट से घर आती है, जैसे वो mongoose को देखती है, what she thought कि उसका जो बेबी सन है वो उसको हार्म किया है mongoose ने. तो वो क्या करती है, जैसे वो बास्केट फुल उसने पकड़ी होती है जिसमें ग्रोसरी होती है, तो वो उस पर जो mongoose है उसके ऊपर रख फेंक देती है. And she just ran inside into the room just to see her baby, to the child's cradle. अब वो child cradle के पास चली जाती है. The baby was fast asleep. अब जो बेबी है वो बड़ा आराम से सो रहा होता है. And what she saw, but on the floor lay a black snake, torn and bleeding. अब वो क्या देखते हैं कि वहाँ पे एक snake होता है जो ज़मीन पे पड़ा हुआ है, which is lying dead, जो कि मर गया है. It was torn and here it was bleeding, that snake. In a flash she realized what had happened. Just in a flash, just in a second of time, she realized what had happened. उसको पता चल जाता है कि क्या हुआ है यहाँ पे. She ran out looking for the mongoose. As soon as she realized, she just ran out to look for the mongoose. Oh, you saved my child, you killed the snake. What have I done? She cried, touching the mongoose who lay dead and still unaware of her sobbing. So now what happened कि अब जो बेबी mongoose है उसकी डेथ हो जाती है, क्योंकि उसने जो बास्केट फुल ऑफ ग्रोसरीज होती है वो उसके पाँव में डाल देती है, तो उसकी वजह से उसकी डेथ हो जाती है. And then after she realized, she said, you saved my child, you killed the snake, and just because of that what I have done, मैंने तुम्हारे साथ क्या किया, you saved my child. After realizing the situation, so the farmer's wife, who had acted hastily, very quickly and rashly, stared long at the dead mongoose. अब वो उसकी तरफ बहुत देर तक देखती रहती है. Then she heard the baby crying, wiping her tears. फिर उसको क्या सुनाई देता है, उसको जो बेबी है, the baby was started crying. And as soon as she saw her baby is crying, she just wiping her tears, she wiped her tears and she went in to feed him. वो वैसे ही उसको पता चलता है कि उसका बेबी रो रहा है. शी जस्ट वाइप्ड हर टीयर्स, अपने टीयर्स को वाइप करती है, एंड शी जस्ट रैन टूवर्ड्स हर बेबी to feed him. So that was a story from the Panchtantra. See, this is a real inspiring story where mongoose was really very loyal and it was very friendly. So this is the question answers. Why did the farmer bring the baby mongoose into the house? अब जो फार्मर था उसने बेबी mongoose को क्यों लेकर आए थे अपने घर में? The farmer and his wife, the farmer and his wife had a baby. They wanted him टू हैव अ कंपनी टू प्ले विद। अब वो क्या चाहते थे कि जैसे उनका बेटा बड़ा होगा तो उसको कोई कंपनी चाहिए जिसके साथ वो खेल सके, टू whom he can play, he can spend some time. So the farmer brought a baby mongoose into the house. इसलिए वो अपने घर में बेबी mongoose को ले आते हैं, एक पेट को ले आते हैं, एक सा पेट उसको रखते हैं. Why didn't the farmer's wife want to leave the baby alone into the mongoose? Because she was scared. क्योंकि उसको डर था कि she was scared that the mongoose might harm her child. कि वो जो बेबी mongoose है वो उसके child को harm कर सकता है, क्योंकि after all baby mongoose is a animal, not a human being, so it might can harm the child. What was the farmer's comment on his wife's fears? अब जो वाइफ का जो फियर था उस पे फार्मर का क्या कमेंट था, उसका क्या व्यूज़ थे. The farmer assured his wife that the mongoose was a friendly animal. अब जो फार्मर था उसने अपनी वाइफ को एश्योर किया दैट द mongoose इज़ अ वेरी फ्रेंडली एनिमल. वो बहुत फ्रेंडली एनिमल है. इट मीन्स इट कांट हार्म आवर चाइल्ड, कि वो उनके चाइल्ड को हार्म नहीं कर पाएगा. It won't hurt their baby. The farmer also said that the mongoose was as sweet as their baby and they were best friends. कि वो उतना ही स्वीट है, as sweet as their baby, उनकी बेबी की तरह ही बहुत क्यूट है, बहुत स्वीट है, and they were best friends. Why did the farmer's wife strike the mongoose with her basket? Now why did the farmer's wife strike the mongoose with her basket? अब वो उसको basket that was full of groceries, why she strike the mongoose? When the farmer's wife reached home with her basket, जैसे ही उसकी वाइफ घर पे आती है, बास्केट होती है उसकी हाथ में, what she saw the mongoose at the door with his face and paws covered with blood. कि उसके जो फेस है और उसके जो पॉज हैं वो किसके साथ कवर्ड है, ब्लड के साथ. एंड एज शी सॉज दैट ब्लड शी जस्ट बिकम सरप्राइज्ड. शी थॉट दैट द mongoose had killed her baby. अब वो खून देख के वो क्या सोचती है कि उसने उसके बेबी को मार दिया, उसके चाइल्ड को मार दिया. इन द एंगर शी हिट द mongoose with her heavy basket. और वो इतने गुस्से में होती है कि वो हिट कर देती है mongoose को, जो कि बास्केट होती है. इट वॉज वेरी हैवी. डिड शी रिपेंट हर हैस्टी एक्शन? हाउ डज शी शो हर रेपिटेंस? यस, शी रिपेंटेड हर हैस्टी एक्शन. कैसे उसको ऐसे होता है, कैसे उसको पता चलता है, कैसे उसको रियलाइज होता है? When she realized that the mongoose had actually saved her son from the snake, कि उसने उसको हार्म नहीं किया है बेबी को, even that mongoose had saved her son from the snake, even उसने snake से उसको बचाया है. She ran out looking for the mongoose, but it was already dead. As soon as she realized the whole story, the situation, she ran towards the mongoose, but it was already dead. लेकिन वो तब तक मर चुका होता है. So she sobbed and felt extremely sorry for her hasty action. और इसके लिए वो बहुत गिल्ट में होती है and she was feeling sorry for that action. So that was the story of the chapter. It was really a nice story of the baby mongoose. So thank you, and we will, in the next lecture we will come with some other topic. That's all.